big fish.
How big?
Because we are hungry, we want to go home with the big fish on the hook.
How big a fish you think?
Big fish is about 15 pounds, right?
Yeah. Then we're gonna have a big fish fry.
No, we put the fish in someplace else because then we all go over there. We want to go where the fish are, right?
Where is that?
Well, it's like if you in French and you ask somebody, Mister, where's that road? Where's that road? Well, what happened is they tell you the opposite. So you go the opposite where he said.
Why do they do that?
Then it's gonna get some
What now?
whatever dish, food and fish and all those good things.
Mm-hmm.